Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find the tangent line. So we have y equals to this one. So we need to find first the derivative of this one, and that is about negative number 2 cosecant of 2x cotangent 2x, because first the derivative of cosecant, that is about cosecant and cotangent. Later that we need to do first the derivative of 2x, we have number 2, and then we have the negative from the cosecant, that's it in here. And now we simplify. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. And now we have the formula. So I will put b over 4 goal here to find the value of this one. And we got about number 0. So I will put number 0 cone here. That means all the value equals to number 0. So y0, that is about 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.